Okay, I've started over. Of course, people are welcome to walk by. Tons of people here. It's just, I'm like, my Airbnb is like right out of the city. It's actually a friggin' hostel. I had no idea. Thank God I've got a nice room to myself, but there's 7 other people there, all like 40 years younger than me. And anyway, it's a place to sleep, and a place to take a shower, and the rest of my days I'm going to be in this fabulous city. So it is really overwhelming. There's going to be so much to see, and I'll go back to on the way back to the trolley and find the Kettle store where I can get a SIM card so I can have more access on what to take advantage of in this spectacular city. It really has just blown me away. That's all. Bye-bye.